For today's video is we will be going to the one of the tourist spot in the municipality of Sinacaban, the Tipan Falls or gitawag nila og Busay. This is the new spot to refresh and enjoy the scenic beauty of the nature. This new spot of Busay is almost 1 kilometer from the highway Barangay Sinunok. Kung mag-helicopter mo or mag-chopper mo, 15 minutes lang maabot na mo sa maong spot. From the barangay road, almost 200 meters away going to the spot of Busay. Always remember to bring extra water kay medyo slope ang area ug hanga kaayo ang paglakaw. This new spot of Busay is no entrance fee but you are liable to our garbages na inyong dadon. So this is the beauty of Busay in Barangay Tipan. This is it. O diba, tsada kaayo. Here at Busay, there are a lot of activities nga ma-enjoy ninyo. Like mag-ambak from the top of the falls, magbitay-bitay ala Tarzan gamit ang PC, mag-dive and enjoy the fresh and clean water of Busay. So of course, kay magpasikat man ta, so mag-try po ta og ambak. So at first, nakulbaan gid ko, kay of course, habog kayo ang pinaka-top sa maong falls. But of course, due to dedication and hard work, ambak lagi ka. Sa paglawi-langoy na ko sa maong Busay, na-feel na ko ang 60 degrees Fahrenheit kakabog na. Charis. So unsa pa inyong gihuwat? Ali na, suroy na, tala na, ang pinaka-nindot nga Busay diri sa Barangay Tipan. Pero enjoy jud baligo kung daghan mo kay the more the merrier, the more the happier.